Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Global. In Canada, work permit processing times dropped by nearly 1 month, June 2026 update. There is good news for foreign workers already living in Canada. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, also known as IRCC, has updated its processing times, and applications for new in Canada work permits and work permit extensions are now being processed faster. Let's take a look at the latest update. Work permit processing times improve. According to IRCC's latest processing update, the estimated processing time for in Canada work permit applications and work permit extensions is now 186 days. That's down from 212 days reported in early May 2026. This represents an improvement of 26 days, or nearly 1 month. According to the available 2026 IRCC processing data, this is the lowest estimated processing time reported so far this year. Who does this affect? The updated processing time applies to foreign nationals who are already in Canada and are applying for a new work permit from within Canada or applying to extend their current work permit. These estimates are based on historical processing times and reflect how long it took IRCC to finalize 80% of similar applications. Processing time still above IRCC's service standard. Although processing has improved, applicants may still experience lengthy waits. IRCC's service standard is to process 80% of in Canada work permit applications within 4 months. The current estimated processing time of 186 days remains above that target. Maintained status protects eligible workers. If you apply to extend your work permit before your current permit expires, you may benefit from maintained status. This allows eligible foreign workers to continue working under the same conditions as their existing work permit while IRCC processes their extension application, provided they remain in Canada. Earlier changes also support applicants. Earlier this year, IRCC extended the validity of work permit support letters from 6 months to 1 year. This change helps applicants deal with longer processing times and provides employers with proof that workers remain authorized to work while waiting for a final decision. What this means for applicants? The reduction in processing times is encouraging for foreign workers planning to remain in Canada. Although applicants should still expect several months of processing, the latest update suggests that IRCC is gradually improving processing efficiency for in Canada work permit applications. Applicants should continue submitting complete applications before their current permits expire to help maintain their legal authorization to work in Canada. Final update. IRCC's latest update brings positive news for foreign workers already in Canada. Processing times for new work permits and extensions have dropped from 212 days to 186 days, marking the fastest estimated processing time reported so far in 2026. While processing remains above IRCC's service standard, the improvement is a positive sign for applicants waiting for work permit decisions. If you found this update useful, like the video, subscribe to Canada Immigration Global, and share this video with friends and family planning to move to Canada. Thanks for watching.